This is a collection of some of my favorite travel gear that I've been using over the past several years. Everything here can help somebody transition from a large suitcase to a carry-on. Most of this gear is under $20, while nothing is over $100. Starting with the under $20 stocking stuffers, some of these are mini versions of bulkier items, and some are just fun things I found useful on the road. You want to keep your backpack off bathroom floors and busy cafes, and these little hero clips are great carabiners to clip to the outside of your pack. This little top part flips around and opens up. You can clip this on your backpack to the hook on a bathroom stall, or on the back side of a chair, or you can even clip it over on the edge of a table. A collapsible water bottle is great if you want to save room in your pack. I've used this 1 liter vapor water bottle for several years with 0 leaks. This thing is huge. It expands to hold 1 liter of water, but folds down tiny to fit in your pack. This is my favorite travel wallet. It's designed to hold keys, credit cards when you're out on the water, but it works great as a minimalist wallet. It has 2 zippered pockets, one with a divider. This thing can hold 7 to 8 credit cards, cash. It's got a ring here. You can attach keys to tuck it back in your pocket. You can also tie a little cord to this thing so you can wrap it around your belt for extra security. These minimalist utensils by Human Gear are great. There's a few different options depending on what you like. That's the Uno, Duo, and then the Trio here has a fork, spoon, and knife all separately in this nice little case. Zipper pouches are great for storing your small gear in your pack. These are a good quality, inexpensive alternative to some of the pricey tech pouches. These CLC pouches, you can buy a set of 3 of these on Amazon for about $8. And then some Toiletry Kit Upgrades. I have the Go Tubs and Stacks, also from Human Gear. These Go Tubs are great for non-liquid items. I have hair gel in here, but they also work great for pills. The Stacks are great for liquid. They're completely waterproof. These lids pop off and on really easily. And then these things are modular. Just a quick snap and connect them all together. Solid toiletries take up less room in your pack. You don't need to take them out for airport security. There's a bunch of great brands out there like Lush or this one from J.R. Liggett. And then the Matador flat pack soap holder. This thing is amazing. It's got a roll top. It's breathable, so when you put your wet soap bar in here, it's gonna dry out but not leak. And minimalist travelers often find themselves doing laundry on the road. This little mini dry bag here is a good alternative to using a hotel sink. Clothes and soap, you just throw them in here, slosh it around a bit. And this thing also does double duty as an actual dry bag if you find yourself out on the water. And then a few fun items. Games are great on the road to keep yourself busy and meet new friends. This Air Deck half-size playing cards, these are waterproof and much easier to use than those other mini decks. And I thought these things were kind of silly when I first tested them out, but now I love them and I use them on all my cords. It's just this little mini twist tie. One end connects to your cord, stays there permanently. All you have to do is coil it up, wrap it around, and it will keep all your loose cords in place. These things work great. This last Nite Ize item is the hitch. It attaches inside your phone without using adhesive with a little ring on the end. You can use the included clip or just attach a cord right to the loop. I like this thing. It's a great security. You can have your phone attached to yourself, or if you use a longer cord, you can put this thing around your neck when you're out in the water so you don't lose your phone. And a few minimalist electronics that I really enjoy: charger, battery pack, and these headphones. This is a Card 4 travel adapter. I've had this thing for several years, still love it. All the adapters are on the back. This thing works in up to 150 countries. It's got 4 plugs over here, 3 USB-A and 1 C. This thing is high power. It can charge a laptop if it's under 45 watts. Battery packs are great on the road. I like Anker. They make some of the best electronics for minimalist travelers. This thing is the Redux. It's a 10,000 milliamp hours. It's large enough to charge most cell phones at least twice. And then these minimalist bone conducting headphones. These things conduct sound. This goes over in front of your ear without having anything actually in your ear. These are great for travel because you can listen to music and podcasts while still being aware of your surroundings. This is the Aftershokz Aeroplex. I like these. They're waterproof. They have good sound and a long battery life. A few other Matador items that I like is a travel towel and a little portable backpack. This is the large size of the Nano. This is the lightest towel that I've been able to find that'll actually dry you off, and it's large enough to sit on at the beach. A packable Daypack is going to allow you to leave your heavy backpack and just take what you need with you for the day. This is an older style of the Freefly 16. It has a large main compartment, this big front organizer, 2 water bottle pockets, and a comfortable carry. Then a few Eagle Creek organizers. This is my new favorite toiletry bag, the Packet Isolate Quick Trip. This thing is very small, large enough to hold all my gear, large main compartment, and 2 little pockets on the side, and it's very lightweight, made out of sil nylon. And then compression cubes are really the way to go if you want to pack down your gear small enough to fit in a personal item. These are both medium Eagle Creek packing cubes, 10 by 14 dimensions. This is the expansion cube, and then this is the compression cube. Holds the same amount of gear as this cube, but squishes down way smaller. Wool clothes are great for travelers. They don't hold odors, so you don't need to wash them as often. I tend to find that 100% wool is itchy. Blends are way more comfortable. This wool and prints crew t-shirt blended 78-22 wool nylon is one of the best. And then the mini scrubba is an upgrade from a generic dry bag. Has little ridges in here that help get your clothes cleaner, as well as a clear window that are gonna work as a dry bag for your phone. And then my favorite minimalist backpack. This is the Osprey Daylite Expandable. This is a great weekend pack. The smaller version is 26 liters, but it has an expansion out to 32 liters. This thing has great organization, clamshell style design, and comfortable backpack straps, all for about $100. That's all my favorite gear I've been using the last couple years. Hopefully you found something useful in here that you can help reduce the amount of stuff that you carry. If you have any questions about this gear, hit me up in the comments below. And again, thanks for watching.